Welcome to Connection Card Pro. In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the process of getting set up using barcode cards for a streamlined check-in process. You are not required to use barcode cards, and if you choose not to, then you may skip this tutorial. Using Connection Card Pro, barcode cards can be set up in one of two ways. Either the holder of the card is the one being checked in, or the parent's card can be linked to multiple children, allowing them to check in or check out any of their children. You may also set this up differently depending on the department. For example, in a children's ministry, it may make most sense for the parents to be the cardholders with their children linked to the card. However, in a youth ministry, the students may hold the cards themselves. Depending on the culture of your youth ministry, using the credits or points incentive system and charging for replacement cards are both effective ways to help students remember their cards and not lose them. There are many companies who provide plastic card printing services. We do not provide physical cards, and you are free to find the company you prefer to work with. Card numbers are assigned to your organization and are specifically formatted to work with Connection Card Pro. When ordering plastic cards or printing your own barcode cards, you are able to generate a CSV file containing the data which will be encoded in the barcode along with a human-readable card number. Go to the Account menu and choose Account Settings. Then select Account Settings. Find the Card Numbers section. You will see a button to generate card numbers. Please do not lose the file which you download, as you will not be able to download this file again. Please keep this file safe until you've received your printed cards and confirmed that they work. Cards can be easily assigned in Kiosk. When adding a new person, you can swipe, scan, or enter the card number at the bottom of the page. Or, to assign a card to an existing individual, just go to Cards. Activate card. Enter an admin code or scan an admin card. Choose the individual you are assigning the card to. Then enter, swipe, or scan the card number. Only card numbers are encoded in the barcodes. No personal information is encoded in the card numbers. And those card numbers are only linked to individuals through our back-end databases. If a card has been lost and needs to be replaced, just go to Cards. Replacement card. Back in the admin pages, you can set up settings related to barcode cards in a few places. First, for the entire organization, go to Kiosk. Kiosk Settings. This is where you can enable or disable check-in by card throughout your entire organization. All other card settings are set at the department level. Go to Groups. Departments. Click on the gear for the desired department. Choose Kiosk Settings. Scroll down to Card Settings. If you have the means to print more than enough plastic cards, then you likely don't need to use the temporary cards feature. However, if you often have lots of new guests and don't have the budget to give away many new plastic cards each week to guests who may not return, you may enable the temporary cards feature. Temporary cards may not look as nice or may require a bit more work to produce, but may help save money if you're tight on budget. However, if your means can afford it, we would highly recommend not using temporary cards. If you decide to use temporary cards, you can print your own cards on thick cardstock or have some cheap business cards printed. Temporary cards use 4-digit barcodes in the 2000 range. To print those barcodes to be applied to the back of a temporary card, just go to Kiosk. Generate barcodes. And choose available temporary cards. I hope that this tutorial has helped you to understand how to use and set up barcode cards within Connection Card Pro. Please check out the other kiosk tutorials for more information. Thank you for watching.